Good morning, everybody. This is Henry Cramer with 605 Chaser, and we've already got some storms firing off into north central portions of Nebraska, right over O'Neill. And why do we have this going on? Well, we do have this surface low that's over central South Dakota. We got the dew points in the 50s, upper 50s. But as this tracks further to the southeast, we're going to have that warm, moist, muggy air, 70-degree dew points, and that's going to be the fuel that it needs to fire off. Why are we so concerned about today, August 19, 2026? Well, take a look at the SPC outlook. Yeah, marginal, right? Not, oh, why are you getting so worked up? Here's why. Take a look at this. We got a 2% risk for Omaha, Norfolk, Columbus, Lincoln, Beatrice, Maryville area. So these are going into elements and the ingredients that this atmosphere really needs. As we take a look at the wind threat, not so much, except for down into areas of southeastern portions of Missouri, south central portions of Illinois, and then as we get into Nashville and Kentucky areas. That hail threat, not so much. It is there. Just be aware there could be some hail. Doesn't mean that it's going to be a big time hail threat. The main risk that we have here is the marginal risk, but that 2% sneaky over the Omaha area. You cannot let your guard down. You never know what's going to happen. We see cloud cover right now, but look at these clearings. We got little spots of clearings right here, and that's all it's going to need to get that cloud cover cleared away, and all the other fuel and ingredients are there. Let me show you what I mean. Storm fuel. As we look at the HRRR weather model, it is certainly doing a pretty good job of showing. Now, this looks very similar to the actual radar right here at 9 o'clock in the morning. O'Neill, some storms firing off. And as those push further to the southeast, it starts to become a little bit trickier right here around 1 o'clock time frame. So if you're in the Columbus and heading over to the Lincoln, Nebraska area, watch out. This one right here, it starts to have an updraft helicity track right here, and that would be a concern. If we do take a look at the 0 to 1 kilometer shear, there's plenty of shear there, and that's going to give the other ingredient that's needed for those potential weak tornadoes, in my opinion. Now, if you look at the significant tornado parameters, not really happening too much there. But as you go into the day, we could have a few sneaky ones still over by Concordia, Kansas. As we push over to Cape Girardeau areas here into the evening hours, that's where we start to see that tornado threat really pose a bigger risk into the evening hours. That's the latest information that we have from the 605 Chaser Studios. God bless and stay safe.